Have you ever wondered why Moroccan couscous tastes so unique and delicious? This isn't just any ordinary dish. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of Moroccan heritage that's been passed down through generations. Its allure lies not just in its taste, but in the stories and traditions that surround it. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the tranquil homes in Casablanca, couscous has a special place in every Moroccan's heart. But what makes it so distinctive? Join us as we unravel the secrets behind this iconic Moroccan dish. The secret to a fantastic Moroccan couscous lies in its 7 key vegetables. Let's delve into this colorful palette of nature's goodness. We start off with carrots, sweet and earthy. They lend a wonderful depth to the couscous. Next up are zucchinis, a subtle yet essential flavor enhancer. Turnips join the mix, adding a peppery bite that gives the dish its unique kick. Cabbage, with its slightly bitter undertone, balances the sweetness and heat beautifully. Now let's not forget about pumpkin. Its creaminess gives the couscous a delightful texture. Then we have chickpeas, protein-packed powerhouses that make this dish as nourishing as it is delicious. And finally, the tomatoes. Their tangy freshness brings all the flavors together, creating a symphony of taste that's nothing short of magical. Each vegetable holds its own, yet they all blend seamlessly, creating a harmony of flavors that's quintessentially Moroccan. But these vegetables alone don't make the magic. It's the method that brings it all together. Making Moroccan couscous is not just cooking, it's an art. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, meticulously orchestrated to create a culinary masterpiece. It's a dance of 7 vegetables, each playing their part to perfection. Let's begin by acknowledging the humble couscous grain. These tiny pearls of semolina need to be washed and soaked until they swell up, ready to soak in all the goodness of the broth they're about to meet. Next, we embark on the journey of preparing our 7 vegetable ensemble: carrots, turnips, zucchini, pumpkin, cabbage, tomatoes, and chickpeas, each lending its unique flavor to the mix. They're chopped, peeled, and sliced, all set to add their distinct notes to the symphony. Now let's talk about the pot. A traditional Moroccan couscousier is our stage for this performance. This 2-tiered pot is where the magic happens. On the bottom tier, we simmer our vegetables and spices in a fragrant broth, while the top tier steams the couscous grains, allowing them to absorb the flavors wafting up from below. The array of spices used is a testament to the rich Moroccan culinary heritage. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a dash of saffron make for an aromatic symphony that fills the room. The couscous grains are then steamed over this simmering pot of goodness, absorbing the flavors and aromas, becoming fluffy and delectable. The steam carries up the essence of the spices, infusing the grains with a taste that's both subtle and profound. Once the couscous grains have tripled in size, they are removed from the steam, fluffed with a fork and mixed with a dollop of butter for richness. The vegetables are then layered on top, creating a vibrant mosaic of colors and flavors. And there you have it. Your Moroccan couscous is ready for the final touch. The art of preparation is complete. It's time to savor this masterpiece. Each bite a testament to the careful orchestration of flavors and textures. So, let's move on to the finishing touches, shall we? Did you know that Moroccan couscous varies from town to town? Indeed, this delightful dish is a testament to the country's diverse culinary landscape. In the breezy coastal town of Casablanca, couscous is often accompanied by a medley of fresh seafood, creating a unique blend of flavors. Meanwhile, in the bustling city of Marrakesh, the couscous is typically served with a generous portion of succulent lamb. You can also find a sweeter version in the mountainous regions where raisins and cinnamon are added to give a delightful twist. Over in the Sahara, the Berber tribes add their own touch with an assortment of root vegetables that thrive in the desert. Each variety has its own charm, but one stands out above the rest. The city of Fez, known for its rich history and culture, is also famous for its couscous. It's not just about the quality of ingredients, it's the artistry that makes Fez's couscous stand out. Each grain is meticulously prepared, absorbing the blend of spices that is unique to this city. The local cooks have mastered the technique of balancing flavors, where the 7 vegetables fuse with the couscous in a delightful harmony.